Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see one of the best camera setting for iPhone 16 Pro Max. And here it is the answer. I will provide you one of the best camera setting. You can use this setting, capture the picture, record the video, slow motion and action mode. All features I will explain here very nicely, so watch entire video. So now let's start as a demonstration on mobile screen. So let's start demonstration. Simply first of all, I just show it to you my camera. This is iPhone 16 Pro Max cameras, and cinematic mode you can record now. Cinematic mode you can record 4K. Previously this feature is not available, but just only 30 frame per second and 24 frame per second, but 4K you can record cinematic. Previously these features they are not introducing in iPhone 15 Pro, and this is a new one. Increase the 2x now video. So as a video point of view, here like a 4K is available, and here 120 frame per second they are added here. So that one is a really advantage for us. Photo, inside the photo zoom 5 is introducing. Previously just 2 is available. Portrait mode, spectral mode like landscape. Oh, this one is something new. Now we can go back and just simply open here setting. Inside the setting we just simply search the camera. Here is the camera. I can explain here one by one from top to bottom. Firstly click here and look at this here, camera control, clean preview, single click, double click. You decide single click or double click, or this features they are introducing newly. So clean preview always on, single click is enough, like a code scanner, camera, Instagram or magnifier. So we go with here the simply in camera. This is one of the best setting. Here photography style, here bunch of options they are introducing in photography style. So here top of the screen something is happening is new. You can change the color and accordingly you capture the picture. So look at this here, top of the screen tone and colors is changed, and images also changing as a different way. This is a new standard way. So photography style you can decide, but we go with as a standard. So now picture comes here. Firstly main setting is a start from here, record video. So record video by default they are providing 1080 at 30 frame per second, but we select here 4K at 120 frame per second. Show PLA format always on this format, because of sometimes we can watch any of the continents like Europe, Africa, Asia or South America. Enhanced stabilization always on. Action mode lower light also you need to enable these features. HDR video of course on. Auto frame per second, so here auto frame per second, previously also this feature is available. So we go with here auto 30 and 60 frame per second. Go back. Lock camera, lock white balance, so lock white balance we can enable here. Go back. So first setting is perfectly done. Next one is a record slow motion. As a slow motion point of view also we need to record 4K at 120 frame per second, because of this is a different level of recording is coming if you use this setting. Next one, record cinematic. This year record cinematic they are introducing 4K, but inside the 4K 24 frame per second, 25 frame per second PLA resolution, and we just go here 4K at 30 frame per second. Go back, and here record sound they are introducing this features newly. Previously stereo and mono is available, but now they are introducing spectral audio. So definitely we are going this one. Allow audio playback and wind noise reduce, so other noise is automatically reduced. So this feature is really amazing for this phone. Next one is a format, high efficiency or most compatibility. I always use or Apple product, like I am using MacBook, so that's why I am using high efficiency, but you can select here most compatibility. This one is very easily access those features, but I go with high efficiency, depend upon you. And photo mode, inside the photo mode here 12 megapixel and 24 megapixel, so definitely I go with 24 megapixel. Here pro real resolution control, I always on this one. Pro default, here pro default this year they are introducing two camera cameras are 48 megapixels. So first one is a HEIF max up to 48. I select here this one, most compatibility first one. Go back, you need to enable here ProReal. You can enable this frame also and select here the log, because of this format is comfortable for other all platform. Format is done. Go back, preserve setting we can enable here camera mode, control menu, photography style, creative mode, depth control, micro control, express adjustment, night mode, action mode, pre-roll resolution, Apple pre-roll. So you need enable all features of preserve setting. Go back, and next one is a use volume up and use volume up for brush. So you can enable this one. Scan QR code always on, show detection text always on, grade level and mirror front camera you can always on, fusion camera. So here different types of fusion camera they are introducing, 24, 28 and 35 mm lenses. So both enable, and we start here from default 35 mm. So we can go back 24, 28 and then use, but if you are directly capture the picture or record something, so we go with here 35 mm. If we miss or forget to use this setting, portraits in photo mode enable, portraits faster shooting enable, lens correction and micro control enable all features. So this is one of the best camera setting if you purchase iPhone 16 Pro Max. If you really like this camera setting, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.